Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to set paragraph alignment in MS Word. For example, if you have this type of paragraph, you need to press Ctrl plus E for center alignment, Ctrl plus L for left alignment, Ctrl plus J for justify alignment, and Ctrl plus R for right alignment. You can do in another way. You need to click on the home tab, and under the paragraph group you will see that there is a left alignment, which is also showing that align your content with the left margin. So click on that, and here the paragraph is left aligned, and here is the center alignment. Click on that, and now paragraph is centrally aligned, and this is align right. You need to click on that and your paragraph will be aligned right. And there is justify, you need to click on that. So in that way you can set paragraph alignment in MS Word. If you think this video helps to solve your problem, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.